Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is Anani with At Home with Anani, coming to you today with another Costco haul. Today at Costco I spent $139.84. See if you can see it right here. I don't know why it's not zooming in. But yeah, I spent $139.84. So let's get into the haul. First thing I got from Costco is always their rotisserie chicken made by Kirkland. This chicken is by far the best as far as Walmart, Target, Kroger's. I think it's the best. Next, I'm going to start with the cold stuff. I got the Kirkland organic salted butter. It's a 2-pound pack. There's 4 ounces in each box, and there's 4 boxes in here. Oh, 2 boxes in here. I'm sorry. The price for this was $9.99, and you know the price for the chicken is also $4.99. As always, religiously, I get the Teton hot dog, but this time I decided to try the Polish sausage, 100% grass-fed beef Polish sausage, and this was $13.89. Again, one of my faves is the Amy Lou organic chicken breakfast links. These are so good for breakfast in the morning, even at breakfast at night. Just delicious. And this also was $13.79. I think the first one was $13.89. This was $13.79. Then I got the Johnsonville turkey breakfast sausage. It's 48 ounces. And this was $11.79. Then I got, of course, the Kirkland's organic chicken drumsticks. The unit price was $1.79, and I think I got 6 pounds 10 ounces, and it came to a total of $10.92. $1.79 a pound, 6 pounds 10 ounces. And then I got this one. I have never tried. Well, I've tried it in the bottle, like the big bottles, but I don't ever think I tried the Uber Green. So I wanted to try this today. It's the Suja Organic Uber Greens. It's only 50 grams of sugar, I guess. 5, I'm sorry, not 55. Whoa, 5 grams of sugar. And this was $9.90. No, I'm sorry, it was $11.99. Then for the cold stuff, this was the item I wanted to try. It's the Bibigo, I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's the steamed dumpling with chicken and vegetables. It's 2 pounds, almost 2.5 pounds. And this also was on sale. I believe the regular price was $11.99, and it's on sale for $7.99. So pretty good deal. Wanted to try it. I'm not really a big fan of dumplings, so just sometimes you don't feel like cooking, so I wanted to grab something that was quick and easy. Okay, I am done with all the cold stuff. I am going to put it away, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back with now the dry stuff. I got this for my dogs, the Jerky Treats made with American beef. This is a 60-ounce package, and this was $9 No, it was $6.99. So I figured I'd, have my dogs then try this. Then I got this, as I mentioned. The last time I got it, I saw this in someone's video. I tried it. This is delicious. I will forever be buying these. It is the Simple Meals fine ground sea salt almond flour crackers. These are so delicious. I mean, you don't need cheese or butter or anything. You can just eat it just like that. It's non-GMO, and this was $8.99. I also like buying the Seeds of Change rice products, but this time I got the brown and red rice with chia and kale. I've never tried this one before, and it also was on sale. There's 6 pouches in there. It is organic, and I believe the price for this was $6.99 or $7.99. Then the Velveeta, which I love to get to drink with my coffee in the morning. There's 30 in the pack, and they come in packs of 4. And this was also on sale for $7.69. So I got 2 because I like them that much. And then I saw somebody else hauling this. I am a sucker for caramel popcorn and regular popcorn, so I thought I would try this. This is the GH Craters popped corn. It comes in, this is the mixed flavor, and it comes in 26 ounces, and the price for this was $5.79. And finally, this also was on sale, the Lay's potato chip classic mix. I like this mix. You get 54 pieces in each box, and this was on sale for $9.69. Alright guys, this is the end of my shopping haul. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. If you like these kind of videos, leave me a comment in the description down below. That lets me know that you enjoy this kind of content, and I will continue to be making these. Also, if you decide to subscribe to the channel, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. Again, thank you guys for taking your time to watch this video. Have a blessed and awesome day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.